The Louisiana Bucket Brigade explores generations of resistance, from slavery to today's petrochemical industry, in our one-of-a-kind bike ride along the Mississippi River, because applying the power of the past builds strength for today's movement for environmental justice. Down by the river is a guided bike ride through parts of Louisiana's Cancer Alley that connects today's movements for racial and environmental justice to the region's powerful history. Because where there is struggle and power, there is hope and revolution. Guided by locals whose families call this place home, riders will learn about the region's history of enslavement, the legacy of resistance, and how today's petrochemical industry follows a centuries-old playbook on exploitation. Ride with us to learn about the region's full history while charting the way towards racial and environmental justice. Join a Down by the River bike ride today. Continue the fight for change tomorrow.